What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Raceland. Now today we've got something fun. We're actually helping James install his seats in his new 458 Italia. Now these things are sweet, but we also have to take off a few of the stock parts.
So we just got to do a little preparing, get the seat belts, buckle off. It's a Ferrari, so may be difficult, but get that off so we can make the bracket for that, and then hopefully everything else will bolt in smoothly.
It sounds okay. Sounds good to me, dude. That should sound better soon, though. Did you drive over here without the seat mounted?
I made one right-hand turn and the whole seat shifted like that. It was so creepy.
Dude, that's wild.
I'm like driving around with no passenger seat. Luckily, I did not see any highway patrol.
I think we need one of these.
You want one of these?
Yeah, should we?
Hey, James, can we go drive it?
Yeah, of course. Yeah. Go for it. Yeah, absolutely. 100%.
Seriously?
Seriously, let's do it. Let's go.
All right, James, that was definitely under 55. I guarantee it.
That was like 45.
45, yeah. I don't think we even went over 20.
Oh, it sounds so good.
Dude, this thing is super sick. Dude, what do you think?
Dude, so good. Seats are awesome. Feel good. Are you
Thank
happy?
you. I am. Thank you guys so much. I
Cool.
appreciate it. They look sick. And you guys need one of these.
We do.
ASAP.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay, see you, dude.
Thank you, sir.
All right, guys, we're gonna take the car to get some custom parts made specifically for this, which we'll show you later in the video. But first, we've got some business to attend to.
Let me into my zone. Please don't let me into my zone. 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 Please don't let me in. Yeah. Gon' play that. Take you down, I'ma say that. Might need me a couple dollars. Telling you now this payback. So I take that. Ask them now what say that. I've been going to the top and I got what they not, so I know that they hate that. But I'm on now. All these lanes gonna zone out. And all these lanes gonna tell you what I did and they twist and they once till I fall out.
All right, guys, now in the last video, you probably remember Dave and I set up that autocross course where he ran over like 9 cones.
Well, first off, I won, and second off, it was maybe 2 cones, and it was because I was clipping through there so fast. There was no running over.
Right, yeah, sure thing. Anyway, so we're at K1 Speed here in Sandy, Utah. This has got to be the best go-kart track in Utah, and we're gonna see who the better driver is.
Cause I'm back in my zone now.
Got helmets. I got you a triple XL for your humongous head.
Oh, perfect. And I got you a sock for your head. It's the last one they had.
All in can't beat me up cause I'm back in my zone now. Back in my zone now. Let me into my zone. 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 Please don't let me in. Please don't let me into my zone. I just need some time on my own. All these people trying to get a conversation. You can conversate to that tone. God up on that throne, yeah. So I'm never alone, yeah. All these people trying to box me in. I'm Mayweather, it's on, yeah. Now they ask where I'm at. Making hits that lambe. I'm MJ, I'm 2-3, man. I just need some time back.
Oh, I don't want to say I told you so, but looks like I took the win, dude.
Well, I started off bad because you gave me the pink head sock. I was in the wrong mojo.
Okay.
And then the cart died at the end, so
Oh,
obviously you had a
sure.
better cart. But I'll give this one to you. You can be faster in the kid toys, and I'll be faster in the RS. I'm happy
Well, what do
with
you
that.
say? Should we go do another race in the RS?
Let's do it.
Next time, guys.
Okay, guys, huge shout out to K1 Speed. If you've got one local to you, go check it out. If you're here in Utah, come check out Caitlin at the Sandy location. She will hook you up. We appreciate it. That was a lot of fun.
Is that ever gonna get old?
Maybe.
Yeah, it probably will. Actually, this car's way too loud.
Okay guys, we just had the full Strafe Design aero kit installed on the vehicle. We're super pumped and excited to show you guys. This is going to include their front splitter that just matches the lines of the factory bumper so well, so clean, not too thick, so we're not going to be worried about rubbing or scraping it when we're in and out of driveways. They also installed their side skirts, which is just perfect, just subtle enough, not too loud and obnoxious. Super psyched on those. And then the other thing that we're really excited about that they used our vehicle to design around is their new rear diffuser. So we did give some input. We didn't want anything too loud, too flashy, nothing aggressive, and they nailed it. It is just the perfect look for this vehicle. Adds a little bit of accent to the factory diffuser that is already looks great. So we're super excited. We feel like with the coilovers, the wheels, and the aero package, this thing just looks amazing. I wish you guys could see this in person.
Again, guys, huge shout out to Strafe Design for hooking us up with the full aero kit on the Focus RS. Now, the cool thing about Strafe is they make kits for all sorts of cars. So go to their website, use the link in the description below, strafedesign.com, see what they have for your car, and at checkout, use the code Raceland. You'll save 10% on your entire order. Now, if you guys remember a couple videos back, we did a coilover giveaway where we asked for 1,000 likes and you guys killed it. We got over 3,000 likes. So in this video, we're gonna do another coilover giveaway. So if you guys like this video and we can hit 3,000 likes, we're gonna give another lucky winner a set of coilovers. All you have to do is go to the comments below, let us know which make, model, and year you have, and we will pick a lucky winner. Again, guys, huge shout out for watching this build. We're excited where this is going. Let us know what you think we should do to this car. We might just do it. We'll see you in the next one, guys.
I'm not excited at all, and not excited that he kept it on race mode for the test drive. That's pretty good.
Now, he actually used our car to design this, so we actually had some input in exactly what we wanted. We wanted something that was exactly what we got.